Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Bosch washing machine and you're getting an E13 error. So what is this error and how do we get rid of it? So the E13 error is a failure to drain error. So it's time for the machine to pump the water out and it is unable to do so properly. Depending on how everything works, it might take more or less time to drain. So the machine gives itself a certain amount of time. If after a certain amount of time it hasn't drained the water out, boom, it will put up this error. So what could be causing this error? There's a couple things we want to check. The first thing we want to check is we want to come in behind and check the hose that goes from the back of the machine, the drain hose that goes from the back of the machine into the drain. All right, and we're going to want to check this for a couple things. One, we're going to want to check and make sure that it is not kinked or bent in any way that would prevent water from being drained. The next thing we want to check is to make sure, so the water, it comes out of the bottom of the machine and it gets pumped up and out. So it needs to be pumped up, but this hose should not be too high. We don't want it more than about a meter and a half off the ground. That's too high it's too much work for the drain pump on the machine to do it. We also don't want it to be too low. So also when it goes into the drain, this should not be sealed. If there's tape that prevents air from getting in the drain, this can prevent it from draining properly. So that should solve most of the problems. If that doesn't, usually depending on your model, the drain pump will be in a different place. You can come down, on this model you can access it right here. You can open this and check and make sure there's nothing. Sometimes like a button off a piece of clothing or something can get in there and prevent the drain pump from turning properly, and that will prevent it from draining properly. You can also check the hose in the back. You can check it for any clogs actually in the hose. If you do all of those things, you should be able to figure out why your machine is not draining properly, and then get rid of this error. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.